She is trying to eat her play jam. She seems to be struggling with it. She can't quite figure it out. Brandon's just intent on playing with his stuff. Then he notices there's a camera, and he loves the camera. They're supposed to be playing with the toys, but they play with their legs. She's giving up? No. Silly girl. What are you doing, Jasmine? What are you doing, my little cutie pie? Hey.